The ollie. Everyone knows what the ollie is. It's where you jump up and your board goes with you. It's the most known skateboard trick and the coolest looking one in my opinion. Everyone should learn it because it's just using every trick and mandatory trick. So I had a hard time learning the ollie, and in this video I'm going to show all the hard times, starting from the very start of when I tried the ollie. The first time I tried it, I'm pretty sure I was on carpet, and that's kind of how I learned. And then I went to a crack, which you guys will all see my first attempts of an ollie, and then my ollies that I can do now. So yeah, if I can do it, you guys can do too, and hopefully this video motivates you to go do the ollie. It's a very fun and easy skateboard trick, but it's hard to learn. If you guys keep trying at it, you guys might eat some crap trying it, but you just gotta get back up and you guys can do it. Believe in you. As you can see in this video, I was extremely uncomfortable on a skateboard. I haven't ridden much at this time. Yeah, and these ollies, it's just terrible. All my timing is off, barely sliding my foot. I don't know what the frick that was. This is probably the first time I was trying it, and if this is what your guys' ollies are looking like, go outside, ride, hill bomb. Just get more comfortable on your skateboard than I was when I was trying it. Right here was my very first ollie. I remember after I landed this, I was so happy, and I took it straight to curb, or crack. And I was still super uncomfortable on my skateboard, as you could see. I used to pick up my skateboard and place it in the crack, because I couldn't ride and make it stick in the crack without like falling off and breaking an arm or something. But this is how I learned. How I just put it in the crack and went over and over and over till I felt comfortable on the skateboard. Okay, so now how to actually ollie. There's 3 steps, and the first step is popping. So popping is what gets your board in the air, is what makes it so you can do step 2, which is sliding your front foot up, which is what levels it out and gets you higher in the air. Also, the most important step, which is step 3, is jumping and pulling your knees up. If you don't jump, you're not going high, especially if you don't pull your knees up. And if you time your jump wrong and your back foot is touching the ground as your front foot is sliding, you're going nowhere. That was one of my biggest problems. Do not do that, and if you are, try to fix it. Just time your jumps differently, get more comfortable, and then boom, you're always going to look just like this. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe.